Привет, my Russian learners! Я Irina. I'm here with you again to teach, to assist, to help and you know, just to help you in learning Russian. So let's start with revision. Revision of what we have already learned at the previous video lesson. So please, I will give you some sentences and words first. Write them down and then check with me if you have written them correctly. Okay? Ready? Это мама и папа. Это мама и папа? Да, это мама и папа. Анна там? Да, она там. Анна там. Она дома? Да, она дома. Это дом? Да, это он. Лампа тут? Да, она тут. Она дома. So now let's check. You will have this on the screen. Yes, I remembered. We haven't learned the letters yet. So we stopped at B, P, F, and now let's go to K, sound K. Cat, crocodile in English, the same sound. Okay, first let's read the combinations of consonants and vowels. Ka, Ko, Ku, Ke, Ki. Ka, Ak, Ko, Ok, Ke, Ek, I, Ki. And we have here the word kak. Kak is like. I look like a teacher. Kak. Also the combinations. Look, cook, look. Let's go to G. G is a consonant, same in English. Grass, grit. G. Okay, let's read. Ga, go, gu, gi, ge. Vga, vgo, vgu, vgi. Aga, igi. Ого, эге. Гда, гдо, гду, gde. Now the comparison. K and G. They're very similar in pronunciation but very different. K, G. Ka, ga, ko, go, ku, gu, ke, ge. Next is gda, kta. Gdo, kto. Gdu, кту. And here are some words. Много, много. Do you remember I've told you in my previous video lessons that when we have or, which is not stressed in the word, we pronounce it as a. So here you can see the same situation. Много. I say not много, but I say много, много, a lot. Много, мало, мало is little. Когда, когда, when, a question. And Volga. Volga is the name of the river in Russia. And the last consonant for today is H. H. Hippo, host, same in English. Ha, ho, hu, hi, he. Aha, oho, уху, иха, охо. Ах, ох, ух. Ох, хо, хо. The comparison. G, k, h. Ga, ka, ha. Go, ko, ho. Gu, ku, hu. And some new words about погода. Погода is weather. Холодно. Холодно is cold. Холодно. Плохо. Плохо, когда холодно. It's bad when it is cold. So, stay with me and see you next time. Bye, my friends. Пока!